My name is Jatin. Today I am going to compose one picture. In short, we can tell it a picture composition. You can take your shading pencil and a normal pencil with you. This is my shading pencil. This is my normal pencil. Along with that, you can take it your eraser. Now we are going to start. We are going to compose a picture that is called as a balloon sailor. Now we are going to start. Take a pencil. One oval shape, slipping oval shape. One slanting line, one more slanting line, one curve line, that is a cap of the balloon sailor. Now one curve, one more curve joining to the end point, that is a head. One more curve, one straight line, one slipping line, one standing line, and one curve, that is a ear. One more curve at a back side going towards back side. Now I am going to make it face. One curve going inside, again one curve coming outside, one small chin curve, and again curve for the cheek. This is a face where I made it by using a curve portion. One curve small touching to the depth one. One more curve. This is an eyebrow. One more curve for showing the lashes of the eyes. This is a small lens. Again this is a small lens. One more curve, eyes. One more curve, this is the eyes. Now first eyebrow is going to attach the nose, slanting line, and one wave line for making the nose. Now I want to make it mustache. One curve, two curve. Again slipping line and joining to the ending of the curve, both the side. Now this is the lips, this is a chin. If you want to show the shades, you can take a dark pencil and show the shades of the hair. This is the hair. I am giving the stroke with a dark pencil. This is the hair of the man. Now I am going to cover the face, straight line, again straight line connecting to the ears. Little bit, I am going to make it little bit in a side view. Even also dark, you can take it in mustache too. If you want to make it this as a French beard, you can make it a French beard by making it circle and short like this. Make it dark. Here is a French beard. Now he is wearing a kurta. This is a throat portion. Now I am going to make it hand. One little bit slanting line, one straight line going towards downside. He is wearing a kurta. Again one slanting line and curve line attaching, again slanting line going upside, and again slanting line going upside. And this is a sleeves of a kurta. Now I am going to make it hand, slanting going towards upside, one slanting going towards downside, one curve that is showing as a thumb, and one curve, two curve, three curve, four curve to showing the hand. He is holding a stick where balloon is going to tie. This is my straight line to showing the stick. Make it stick by using a straight line going towards downside. This is a stick which he is holding, and one curve line where he is going to stick the balloons. There, one slanting line. There. This is a side hand which is been hiding, so I will be using one slanting line and one more slanting line which is going downside. This is a chest done, and a man is also done. If you want to show some small bag, if he is holding, this is a bag where balloons has been kept inside. This is a bag. Here is a bag. Now I am going to make it some kids which they are buying from the balloon man. One curve, two curve. I am going to make it in a side view. One more curve, one standing line, one slipping line, and again small curve for showing specifying the ear. One curve for the finishing of the hair. Standing line, slanting line, slipping line, standing line, slipping line, small slipping line for the making the lips. One curve, standing line, slipping line for making the chin. Again standing for the throat. I'm going to make it a t-shirt, so one curve, again one curve, again one curve, and this is a hand where he is asking for a balloon. So one slanting line going towards downside, one more slanting line going towards upside, and a hand, one thumb and one palm by using two different curves. Now here you need to rub it where hand is not transparent, so I am going to rub it this line and here. Now one curve for the eyebrow and one V portion for making the eyes. This is a boy asking for a balloon, and here is a balloon, slanting line and one curve, and few patterns if you want to make it. Again slanting, again one more balloon, few designs inside. This is a man and a kid which is dealing with both each other. Now this is a slipping line where far land is there. We are going to compose it, so backdrop is also necessary for that. So I am going to make it few land and houses. Here are the collection of houses where far away village is there. You can make it bunch of houses. These are the houses, and if you want to make it a way where it is a countryside, you can make it a road broad. This is a road what we made it. Here our picture has been composed. If you want to shade it, you can use it your dark pencil for the shading.